morning, student. Today we are learning about page layout option in Microsoft Excel. Page layout option, it is used for page related options. As we studied about in MS Word, a page layout option like that. So it consists themes, different type of themes of your page related colors which you want to use. So first from you select your data and then you can apply here. Okay, font, you can select different type of font style like that. Effects, okay, first select your data. Margin, this is used for take margin or select a page range from its left, right, top, bottom edges. Okay, so you can select from your margin and like top, left, header, bottom, right, footer, and these are points. If you want to customize your page margin, then you can customize your page margin from here. This is orientation, which type you want to orientation, like portrait or landscape, and click OK or select again customize margin. You can mm, change your page margin from here and click OK, and it changes page margin. Okay, uh, or normal orientation, it is used you to look like a wide page style or a narrow page style. Then you use a orientation, portrait or landscape. There are two type of orientation. So select your okay, again you select your data size, page setup, which type of page you have to use to take a hard copy of your data. So you can select from here, or you can customize your paper size from here and look from here. Okay, this type. Print area, set print area. You can set your print area, and clear print area, you can clear your print area. So this is the your print area. This is set. Break, this is used to break your page in parts. Remove page break, when you again merge your page. Reset all page break, and reset is provide the previous condition as a default. Background, you can insert a background and your MS Excel sheet from here. You select any picture and click insert, and it's apply background on your MS Excel sheet, and whole workbook is applied on it. And you can also change for display this color. Okay, if you want to delete your background, so you can delete from here. Next, print titles. Print area, print titles, you can select from here, type here and click on OK, and it display on print page. Width or height, it increase or decrease the height and width of your papers scale which is fit in your sheet. Grid line view, if you want to view grid line, then click, then grid lines display. If you uncheck this, and the grid line is not display. Okay, heading, if you undisplay your heading, then uncheck your view option, then it uh, disappear your cell address heading. Okay, again CC, like that. In this print option, it is used for print option, and it select your range. Okay, this is the your uh, page layout option, and the data, from data group you can sort option use. You can sorting your ascending to descending. You can filtering your data from here. Select all. You can, okay, like that. Okay, or you can select from here, and which option you disappear or uncheck from filter group, it totally disappear all content from its related uh, column wise or row wise. Clear option, it is clear the filter option. Grouping or ungrouping, it is used to merge row and column. Okay, like that. Ungrouping, okay, it's ungroup column. You can select from here if you like column. Okay, this grouping column 1 or 2. Ungrouping column, okay, is ungroup. It it is used to split or merge the column and row in group. Okay. Review option is consist of proofing, grammatically options for proofing, for check spelling, research, threshers, translates. Okay, and also you contain the protect your sheet or worksheet or share book options. View view option, it view the workbook like normal, page layout, page break view in small. Okay, if you want to again normal view, then click on normal option. From here you can see on full view. Okay, grid line, ruler, formula bar is consist show option. If you click on grid line and check it, then it disappear grid line, and click on grid line, it appear grid lines. Heading, when you click on heading, the address heading A, B, C, etc. are disappear. Click check in, it appears. Formula bar, when check it, check in is this formula bar, then display the address bar and formula box. Okay, zoom option used to enlarge or small, displaying your page. New window, it is open new window or new uh, workbook on it. Arrange all, it arrange the cascading or horizontal, vertical or tiled of like that. For this, we open new freeze pan. Freeze pan is used to when you freeze your pan, it will freeze the uh, row and column visible while the rest of the worksheet is scroll. Okay, so you can freeze your pan. So okay, so it you can move it. Okay, so this is a pen. Split, it split your MS Excel in parts. Hide, you can hide your entire worksheet, workbook, or again hide, you can click OK and unhide your worksheet. Save workspace, switch window. When you are working in different many two or more windows, then you can from switch here and you can jump from another window. Macro macro it is used for giving command once more than two or three, and you can run your command to record and view your macro. Okay, and this is the your view group. So